off the pieces that we got because they're dirty as hell. So, give them a good scrub.
Ready?
Mm-hmm.
It's trying to turn over. It's trying. I think it's a carburetor issue. Gas.
What's up, Throttle Thoughts? As you just saw, we got the truck running, but it's stalling, so we got to work on the carburetor, get that fixed up.
We're going to talk a little bit about the channel, what we want to do with it. So we want to fix both the cars up for a cross-country tour with my dad. That'd be fun. Go like California or something. We can vlog the whole thing, you know, traveling. We want to take Route 66. Probably gonna need a roof for that.
A lot of drugs and a lot of beer.
Go find it.
Oh yeah, sorry this video isn't very long. We couldn't find the camera.
Yeah,
I couldn't find the camera.
kind of lost it. Or no, you misplaced it.
I didn't.
And then you told me to go look for it.
It was in your trailer.
Yeah,
I
didn't know it was in the trailer because it was underneath the pillow.
I didn't go in there with it though.
All right, Throttle Thoughts. We post every Monday. Make sure to like and subscribe and follow our Instagram. It's not down below, but
It is,
for YouTube it is. It's in the description. Check it out. We'll see you later. We hope you like her.
What else am I paying you for?
You don't pay me shit.